Unlocking the meaning of on a victory streak. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in sports, gaming, or even in business contexts, on a victory streak. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp the concept of continuous success in various fields. Let's break it down together. The phrase, on a victory streak, refers to a situation where someone experiences continuous success or wins repeatedly over a period of time. A streak here signifies a consecutive series, and when combined with victory, it emphasizes a series of wins. This can be applied to various scenarios, from a sports team winning multiple matches in a row to a person achieving successive accomplishments in any aspect of life. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. In sports, the basketball team is on a victory streak, having won their last 10 games. In gaming, she's on a victory streak in the online game, defeating every opponent she faces. In business, the company has been on a victory streak, with increasing sales for the 5th consecutive quarter. These examples show that being on a victory streak is not just about winning once, but maintaining a pattern of success across different endeavors. A victory streak is significant because it reflects consistency, skill, and determination. Being on a victory streak can boost a team's or individual's confidence, create momentum, and sometimes even intimidate opponents. However, it's also important to manage expectations, as all streaks eventually come to an end. The key is to learn from each win and use that knowledge to improve and prepare for future challenges. Incorporating on a victory streak into your English conversations can make your language more vibrant and expressive. You can use it to talk about personal achievements, discuss sports and games, or analyze the success of businesses and celebrities. For example, after passing all my exams with high marks, I feel like I'm on a victory streak. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be on a victory streak, and how you can use this phrase in various contexts. Remember, success comes to those who strive for it, and being on a victory streak is a testament to hard work and perseverance. Keep challenging yourself, and who knows, you might find yourself on a victory streak soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.